In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve the Deepseek server busy error message efficiently and effectively. If you've encountered this frustrating issue, don't worry, we will walk through some easy steps to help you get back on track. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Deepseek website. You'll want to ensure you're on the main page, where you typically perform your searches. Upon arrival, take a moment to locate the search button. It might be tempting to overlook this, but simply clicking on the search button will turn it off. This is an essential step as it helps minimize the load on the server, giving it a chance to catch up and reset. Next, direct your attention to the right-hand corner of your browser window. You should notice three vertical dots stacked one on top of the other. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu featuring various browser settings. This menu can appear slightly daunting if you're unfamiliar with it, but rest assured it's straightforward to navigate. Now, look for an option that deals with your browser's data management. It might be labeled as recently closed or history in some browsers, but ultimately you're searching for the delete browsing data feature. Clicking on this option will open another window where you can customize which types of browsing data you want to clear. Once you reach the browsing data settings, you'll need to select the date range that best suits your needs. It's often safest to choose all time, but if you prefer not to delete everything, select a shorter time frame that may still prove effective. After making your selection, click the Delete Data button. This action is pivotal as it effectively resets any cached data that might be triggering the server busy error. After completing these steps, it's also sensible to check Deepseek's server status. Occasionally, the problem could lie on their end, and knowing if the server is experiencing widespread issues can save you a lot of additional troubleshooting. You may find server status information directly on the Deepseek site or through a quick online search. By following these steps, you should see a marked improvement in your experience with Deepseek, allowing you to get back to whatever important work you are doing without further hindrance. Always remember, keeping your browser data clear and being mindful of server conditions are small actions that can lead to significant improvements in your daily digital operations. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech insights.